This instructional video will demonstrate how to unpack and set up your new Kyocera ECOSYS MA2600cwfx printer. Open the box and remove the packaging material. Remove the accessory box, which includes the power cord and safety guide. 2 people will be needed to carefully lift the machine out of the box. Place the printer on a flat surface. Remove the main plastic shipping bag. Remove the remaining plastic bag. Remove packing tape and any additional packing material. Remove the tape and this yellow caution label. Open the right cover. Remove the yellow labels on each toner container. Remove the tape and the toner instruction label. Close the right cover. It is now time to power on the printer. Be sure to view the Power On Wired Network install video.